Alrighty. Okay, honey, it's alright. Okay, I'm okay eating toilet paper. Okay, now I want you to, since he didn't want me to do it, I want you to put in the yep. I'm okay eating toilet paper. Okay. I'm okay eating toilet paper. Okay. Is this anger? Resentment? Your resentment? Someone else's resentment? Owner's resentment? You can hold it. Yes, Hemi, it's okay. It's okay, Hemi, good boy. You're a good boy. Is it your people's resentment? Your people's resentment about you eating that toilet paper? Resentment about your bad behavior? About you eating the toilet paper? Your owner's resentment about you eating the toilet paper? Okay. Is there an original time in which you picked up on somebody's resentment? This is the time? Is there anything sooner? Good. Okay. Anything else we need to do to clear it? No. Okay. So, just think about how you guys feel when he does that. He's picking up that you guys are resenting him doing this. Okay, so you get into that feeling for him. Kind of hold his head, and I want you to hold here. And just feel that, and I'm going to tap on his spine here. And we're going to breathe together. Okay? So you ready? You got that picture? Okay. Take a deep breath in. And let it out. And let it in. And let it out. Okay. Yeah, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Good. Shake it off. All right. I'm okay chewing the toilet paper. I'm okay if I don't chew the toilet paper. I'm okay with my owner's resentment. I am ready, willing, and able to give up my owner's resentment. I don't need to take it on anymore. It is safe for me not to chew the toilet paper. It is good for me and good for others if I don't chew the toilet paper. I can be supported by others if I don't chew the toilet paper. It is safe, and I am worthy of not chewing the toilet paper. Good job. Good job, Hemi.
Good him. Good him.
Good job. Okay. I'm okay leaving other dogs. Put your hand on his forehead. I'm okay leaving other dogs. Okay, leaving other dogs. Grief. Okay, your grief. Your grief about that you're abandoning, leaving. A lot of sadness about that. When was the original time? Was there an original time? Conception of birth. Birth to 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks. When you left mom and your siblings? Yeah, look at those. Actually, he's crying. He's got tears coming out. It's okay, baby. Yeah, it's okay. Can you see how he's got some tears coming out?
Yeah, I know him.
It's alright. I know, it's okay. The sadness and grief about leaving mom and all of your siblings behind. Is there anything else that we need to clear this? Good. Okay. So I want you to put a hand here in the lung. Keep the hand there. When you went to pick him up and you brought him away and took him away, I want you to get back to that picture for him. Okay? And we're going to breathe again with him. It's okay.
It's okay, him.
It's okay,
It's
him.
okay. It's okay.
It's okay. And tell me when you get the picture. Got it? Take a deep breath in. And out. Take a deep breath in. And out. out. Deep breath in. And out. Deep breath in. And out. Deep breath in. And out. Yes, you've been carrying that a long time, honey. Yes, you don't need to carry it anymore. It's okay. It's okay, honey. It's okay. It's a good boy. It's a good boy. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Same picture? Okay, look left. Any other emotion? Look at me, close your left eye. Good. 2 fingers in his eyes. Try to use these 2 fingers. Good. Good. Okay. I'm okay leaving, no, just down for him. I'm okay leaving dogs behind. I'm okay leaving animals behind. It is safe for me to leave dogs behind. I can leave my grief behind. I am ready, willing, and able to leave dogs and other animals behind. It is good for me and good for others to leave dogs behind. I can be supported by others if I leave dogs behind. It is safe for me to leave dogs behind. And I am worthy of leaving dogs behind. There you go. What a good boy, Hemi!